In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to join paths in Figma. We'll walk through a simple, reliable way to connect two vector paths so they behave as one clean shape. Start by opening the Figma website in your browser and loading the design file you want to work on. Once your file is open, head to the frame or canvas where you want to build the connection. We're going to create two paths that will join together, so it's easy to see what's happening. Select the pen tool from the toolbar at the top and draw your first path. To make it clearly visible, set the stroke weight to 50 and change the stroke color to black. You'll find both of these controls in the right-hand panel under stroke. A heavier, high-contrast stroke makes it easier to see the anchor points and the edges while you work. Next, draw a second path with the pen tool, roughly in the area where you plan to join it to the first. You don't have to be perfect yet. You'll fine-tune the points in a moment. The important thing is to have two separate paths that are close enough to connect. Now, select both paths. You can do this by clicking one, then holding Shift and clicking the other, or by dragging a selection box around them. With both paths selected, look to the right side Properties panel and click the three dots to open more options. Choose Flatten. Flattening combines your selected shapes into a single vector layer and reveals their anchor points, which is exactly what we need to join them. With the flattened vector selected, you'll see anchor points appear along the paths. Click into the vector to make sure you're editing those points. To join the paths, drag the end anchor point of one path directly onto the end anchor point of the other. As you move it, watch for the point to snap or align. When the points overlap, they merge, creating a single continuous path. If it helps, zoom in so you can place the point precisely. Be sure you're dragging the anchor point itself, not the curved handle, so the connection is clean. You can repeat the same action on the other ends if needed, or adjust nearby points to smooth the transition. Once the points are joined, the segments will behave like one shape, making it easier to edit and style. And that's it. You opened your file, drew two visible paths, flattened them into one vector, and joined their anchor points by dragging one onto the other. Practice this a few times and you'll find joining paths in Figma becomes quick and intuitive.